This is Bob with Express Restoration. We got the job finally prepped. You see, got all the trim taken off, all the baseboards. Got a detainment wall set up now. Axle fans, spider box, PDS, cabinetry, Viking. Got another PDS in here. Tad's working on for the cabinetry. Here's the Viking. Over here I'll show you a Viking. Humidifier 8500. Really good. Just like a 7000, they pull 130 pints. Good little unit. Bob with Express Restoration. Got everything prepped, set up. We can start the drying process. You can call area code 405-922-8891. Express Restoration of Oklahoma City.